Hello, respectable audience. I have a question for you. Here is 20 minus 20 divided by 2. So 20 minus 20 will be equal to 0 divided by 2. So 0 divided by 2 and be written as 0 by 2. And 0 by 2 will be equal to 0, which will be our answer. But have we followed the order of operation? Obviously, no. So I will solve it again. 20 minus 20 divided by 2. So first of all, we have to divide by obeying order of operation. So 20 will come as it is, minus 20 divided by 2 will be 10. Now, it will be 20 minus 10 will be equal to 10. Hence, 10 will be our answer. In the first case, our answer will be 0, as our answer was 0, but that was incorrect. So our correct answer will be 10 by obeying order of operation. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.